Oh, wow, that was a lot of fun.
Okay, so who is ready for the best, bigger waterfall ever? Take a look. Wow, that's huge! I love it! Who is ready? Who is with me? I am totally ready, yes! I born ready. Let's go! Let's do it! Yay!
Oh boy, this is gonna be awesome. Yeah.
Yay! Yay! So excited. Oh boy. Oh. Okay, we need to pick our floaties and then we go up the ladder and then whoosh, we slide down. Oh, this is so excited. Okay, let's pick. Oh, I just grab whatever.
Let's have fun. Yeah.
I'm gonna grab my floaty.
And up the ladder we go.
Okay. Woo! It's a long way up. Oh. Okay, here we go. Up, up, up. Ah. Yes, I made it. Okay, my floaty is there. Oh, some water. Ooh. I'm gonna sit. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! That was awesome! Yay! Okay, it's my turn. Oh, oh, wee. Yes. Wow! Ajajay is really deep. So excited! I'm ready. Okay. Sit down. Okay, here I come. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, this was amazing! Yay! Wow! That was amazing! This is awesome! Yay! Okay, Barbie, go ahead. It's okay, Ken. You can go ahead. I'm gonna be last.
Okay, but you know it's nothing to worry about, huh? It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Wow! Cowabunga! That was super duper! Yeah!
Oh, no. I don't want to. Oh, okay. I can do this. I can do this. Oh, okay.
Oh! No! This is so high!
Oh my goodness. No, where is my floaty? Oh yes. Here.
No, never again. Oh wow, that was a lot of fun.
Yes, it was amazing. No, not for me. Thank you. We should do it again. Let's go again. That was so much fun. How about if we try one more time, but without the floaties? Awesome idea. Yes, let's go. Oh, yes, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Cowabunga! That was awesome! That was awesome, girls. Okay, who is ready for the smoothie? Oh, me, yes. Oh, yes, so do I. I want a mango smoothie. I rather a strawberry smoothie. Okay, let's go see Robert. He make the best smoothies. Hi, Robert. Oh, hi, Ken.